Today I'm going to make a moto vlog for the very first time in my life. Room, Valparaiso, let's go. We'll eat some empanadas on the beach. I really don't know what I'm doing. You know, it's so cool to try new things. You never know what's gonna happen. So guys, so far so good. I think everything's going as planned.
Guys, you can see me very relaxed and enjoying the rhythm of life now. Remember I told you when you're making vlogs, you never know what's gonna happen next? Hell did I know what was gonna happen next here. What you're gonna see now is completely insane. Never in my life could I imagine that something crazy like this could have actually happened to me.
Be careful. No. Ah!
You see? It's crazy shit.
It's crazy, I can't believe it, really. I hope this fucking dog won't attack me one more time at the same intersection. In theory, it can happen. Can you imagine that? It's crazy. Dog, meow 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 meow. Crazy shit, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to Evgeny's Habit YouTube channel. Today is a sunny, cool day today in Chile, and today I'm going to make a moto vlog for the very first time in my life. And for this purpose, we're going to take this guy with ourselves on a trip to Valparaiso, Playa Ancha, La Playa de las Torpederas. It's a cool place. I hope you like it. I don't know if I'm gonna be talking in this video today because I'm really literally doing this moto kind of vlog style for the first time in my life. I hope it's gonna be cool. We'll eat some empanadas on the beach, we'll make some shoot photos and videos of the birds and the people swimming in the Pacific Ocean maybe, and let's see what's gonna happen. But I'm sure it's gonna be cool. Now let's drive, let's go! So guys, I really don't know what I'm doing, but you know, it feels kinda cool, really. So guys, before we start, actually I wanted to tell you that, you know, it's so cool to try new things. You never know what's gonna happen. I never thought of even trying to make a motovlog, and here I am on a Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 super cool cruiser bike, and I'm going to make my very first motovlog today. And I was so scared to try doing this. I was procrastinating, I was like putting it off for like a later date in my calendar, and life is very limited. We never know when we're gonna die. And you know, actually I want to make this video today as like sort of inspiration for you. If you fear something, if you're not sure, go there. It's cool, because you never know what's gonna happen today, you never know what's gonna happen tomorrow. And you know what guys, before we even start driving to Valparaiso, to Playa de las Torpederas, I want to tell you that it's so cool to try new things. You should really always try doing something new. You should really try experiencing something new in your life. And I understand that sometimes it feels like scared. You feel scary, you're not sure of yourself, you think that something won't happen exactly the way you planned, but it never does. It never will, and I guess it never should. Because, well, this difference between what you expect and what you actually get at the final stage of your project, your life even, when you think you start, it's so cool. It makes you like longing to live one more day in brighter colors, and it's so cool, really. So without any further ado, let's start and let's visit our cool place. And I hope I will show you the city, and we'll like have a great ride together. Let's go. So we put it on like this. Okay guys, let's go. So guys, our first intersection. I hope you can hear me clear. Well, what a cool day. We are in the sector of Miraflores in VIÑA del Mar, and now we're going to the big highway which will lead to Valparaiso. Let's go. Today it's a wonderful, cool, sunny day in Chile. It's so great that I managed to get out today. Cool. So guys, so far so good. I think everything's going as planned. And soon we're going to reach Valparaiso. Let's go. guys, this is almost the end of Viña del Mar. We have Reloj de Flores, you can see it there. I hope you can see it. I don't know if you saw it, I hope. Okay, let's keep on riding. Run, run! Look at this guy here. Crazy shit. Very relaxing.
Guys, you can see me very relaxed and enjoying the rhythm of life now. Remember I told you when you're making vlogs, you never know what's gonna happen next? Hell did I know what was gonna happen next here. What you gonna see now is completely insane. Never in my life could I imagine that something crazy like this could have actually happened to me.
Be careful. No. Ah! Ah!
I still can't believe it. A dog just bit me. Let's rewatch it again from another camera angle.
Be careful. No. Ah! Ah! Guys, crazy shit. Ah! A dog bit me. I gotta stop somewhere. Crazy shit. Crazy fucking shit. I'm sorry. Never happened in my life. And I think I have blood now. Okay. Maybe we can do it here. Oh, god damn it. God damn it. Can't believe it. Well, I can tell you it hurts. I don't know what happened, if I have blood, if it managed to penetrate my skin. Crazy shit. Oh, god damn it. Okay. Guys, I'm a little scared, to tell you the truth. Yeah, it has.
You see? It's crazy shit.
Okay, guys, when I meant that I wanted to have some adventure, you never know what happens, I didn't mean that. I guess I got connected myself with ambulance or some sort of this way. So today we're not going to see Playa Las Torpederas, but maybe I'll make this vlog like 2-day vlog. I guess the sooner I see the doctors, the better it will be. I don't wanna catch any virus. Well, you know. See you very soon, and well, it's crazy shit, really. So guys, the vlog continues, life continues, we are alive. Now we are going with this guy to the hospital. My friend Cecilia will be waiting for us there. Will be waiting for me and well, for us too, because you are like watching this. You know, I thought it's not every day when a dog bites you, and it's such a cool opportunity that I have my 4K cameras with me. And well, it's such a rare opportunity. It would be like shame not to document everything passing here. So see you in the hospital. It's crazy, I can't believe it, really. I hope this fucking dog won't attack me one more time at the same intersection. In theory, it can happen. Can you imagine that? It's crazy. Okay guys, so we arrived at the hospital, at the clinic. I don't know what this is. My friend Cecilia is coming. She's going to join me. No, you know. It's crazy shit, really. Never in my life a fucking dog bit me. Well, that's gonna be one hell of a content, I gotta tell you. It's crazy. Okay, let's see what the doctors are gonna tell me. I hope it's nothing serious, and I hope it's not gonna be expensive. So guys, my wonderful friend Cecilia Lopez llegó.
Hi guys.
Sí, ella tiene su canal de YouTube que se llama what is called?
Cecilia en su elemento.
Cecilia en su, sí, Cecilia en su elemento in español. In Spanish, please subscribe to the channel. It's super cool. She is like shooting videos from Chile, nature, like reflections on life, meditation, a bit. Very cool channel. Now we go to that clinic and let's find out how much it's gonna cost me.
Guys, something happened with him.
Yes.
No hospital.
Yes. Dog. Meow, 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 meow,
Meow,
meow.
meow.
Crazy shit. Let's go. Okay, guys. I've just been charged $100 for just having a meeting with my doctor, and all the medicaments will be additional prices. I can't believe it. Yeah, you see? Let's have a look. You see? 94 pesos chilenos is about $100. Well, one of you guys asked me if medicine, healthcare in Chile is expensive. Well, without insurance, I can tell you, I can definitely tell you now, yes, it's kind of expensive.
I'm sorry for him.
Yes, I'm sorry for myself. Okay, but we don't lose hope. We have our thermos, our tea, and now we're gonna enjoy it. Cool. So guys, we finished our vaccination plan. It's crazy. They just vaccinated me with 2 vaccines. I'll have to take 6 more vaccinations, injections. Crazy. But that's life. C'est la vie. Es la vida. I guess see you tomorrow, and we'll make like the second day of this vlog. Love you all. Bye. So tasty. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the second day of our vlog. And what happened yesterday was really crazy. So, to keep you up to date, I've been prescribed to inject myself with 8 vaccines. They are rabies and tetanus vaccines. I will have to like take 8 of them 2 done, 6 more to go. You know, never in my life I thought that the dog actually can literally attack you while you're driving on a motorcycle. I mean, they always bark, they like imitate that they're gonna attack you, but from my previous experience during my whole life, they never really truly tried to attack me. But this dog, thank to God that nothing terrible happened. What lesson can we learn from the experience from yesterday? I guess you should never get discouraged. Look at me. I'm not disappointed, I'm not discouraged, I'm actually very inspired, full of energy as always, very motivated and happy. So many crazy things can happen in our life. When I told you, remember at the beginning of a vlog yesterday that I didn't know what was gonna happen, of course, I thought that, well, it would be kind of cool if some kind of adventure would happen to me. Never in my life could I think that the dog would bite me, and this journey of mine really would turn into some sort of an adventure, ending up at a hospital. But you know, it's cool, it's new experience, and we should never get discouraged. And what I want you to take from this is like, always stay positive, always be optimistic. With such a mood, with such attitude to life, you're going to conquer absolutely anything you want. You'll achieve everything you want in life. It's so important. While other people will get discouraged because of some insignificant thing, you will always like advance in your life despite of anything even bad happening to you. It's very important to stay motivated, inspired, happy, optimistic, and very positive. That's what I think. And I'll drink to that. Cappuccino con caramello in español. So guys, I promise you that we will visit La Playa de las Torpederas, is the beach in Valparaiso. Well, unfortunately we didn't arrive there. Today we are in Concon, La Playa La Boca, La Boca beach. It's the other town, but still it's the beach. Pretty similar, a little bit different because we have a surfing spot here, and actually the surf school I visited sometimes myself. It's here, it's there. So it's a wonderful beach, I like it very much. And I want to finish this video today, as always, as I do in most of my videos, with a beautiful aesthetical video with music, showing you birds, boats, waves, surfers, flora and fauna, so that you would get the best visual experience possible. So guys, thank you for watching Evgeny's Heartbeat. Thank you for staying with me on this channel. I love you so much. Your support means everything to me. Our channel is growing very slowly, but very confidently, and this I like very much. Each and every one of you who subscribe to the channel, you bring your own contribution, you bring your own value to our community, to Evgeny's Heartbeat, and that is so important and so valuable. I cannot describe it with my words, and I want to thank you for everything, for your support, for being here. And I guess together with you we'll be able to conquer this world, achieving everything we want. So thank you guys for staying here on Evgeny's Heartbeat YouTube channel. You can always subscribe, hit the thumbs up, like this video, and now I invite you to enjoy the wonderful, beautiful Playa La Boca of the wonderful town of Concon in Chile. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.